The board is set and the pieces are moving. Do you remember that game? Red alert? One wrong move and your entire base was gone. Today's real world warfare has become just like that, alive, ticking, real-time strategy. Every move is critical. Every delay, fatal.
It will be about world politics. Chess. You are watching Lab-e-Lubab segment. DARHAQIQAT. The United Nations has become a ceremonial, paralyzed body. Veto power has become a mere formal institution in the hands of a few countries, with continued failures on Palestine and Kashmir. The next world war won't begin with boots on the ground, but with bites in the cloud. World war will start with technology. It will be important. AI and the race of drones. Cyber attacks. The new weapons of war. Robots and autonomous weapons will be America's weakness and war compulsion. Once the global king, America is now neck-deep in debt and desperation. Reasons: rising debt, declining economy, fear of Chinese dominance, economic reset through war. Current state of Russia. Russia stands strong, but it's isolated and bleeding. Key points: economic pressure from Ukraine war, diplomatic isolation, military power remains, but is declining.
The story is far from over. In the next episode, more truths will unfold. You were watching Lab-e-Lubab segment. DARHAQIQAT, World Political Chess.